All right, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2016 Tesla Model S 70D. And we're going to take it out for a test drive. But before we take it out for a test drive, we're actually going to walk through and look at the vehicle, see what type of condition it is in. Now, this 2016 Tesla Model S has just around 23,000 miles on it. So in the car business, we technically would say that is low mileage for a vehicle. Also, towards the beginning of the video here, I want to go ahead and get out the price of the car. It's on sale right now for $49,990. So just shy of $50,000. Now let's go ahead and start looking at her a little bit and we'll talk about her. But the main thing today is to get out in it and take it for a ride and see how she feels. The front has definitely got some space in there to store groceries. There you go. Take a look at that, right? Yeah. Pretty spacious amount of room in here for the most part. I mean, you could throw a golf bag in there, probably, maybe, I don't know, with the clubs. But you could definitely throw some items in here and definitely get the groceries in if you needed to. So there's your frunk. And to open the frunk, if you were thinking that there was some type of lever or something to pull in there like you would on a typical car, that's not the case. There's not a whole lot of things like that inside the vehicle as far as buttons and levers are concerned. Basically, you're going to go to the screen inside, hit the little logo with the car on it, and then it'll have a little diagram there with the car, and then hit the frunk, and then it'll open it and pop it right up for you. To go ahead and close it down, it's pretty simple. Just grab it and drop it down. There you go. Don't be afraid of your Tesla. It is durable. Elon Musk did a great job of making them durable, you know, and beautiful, and fast, and quiet, and definitely not having to deal with fuel consumption. So headlights look good. Fogs down in the bottom there look great. Nice clean front end. Okay, I love the color. This is the second one in this shade of red that we've had at Southern Motor Company within the last 2 months. Now this one is the dual motor. That's the 70D. D stands for dual motor, all-wheel drive. Got Michelin tires, 245/45 series tires with a 19-inch 5-star alloy wheel in silver. Nice big brakes in the front and in the back. Got the chrome handles. Let's go ahead and start moving around a little bit. The exterior body on the car is in beautiful shape. Nothing on this car to complain about. It is impeccable. No dents, no dings, no scratches. I mean, again, it has been well taken care of for the past few years. All right. And here's the back. What I like about this is you can kind of, boom, go like that if you want. You can load all your items in. The back seats fold down if need be. This one's also going to have the tan leather, and then on the upper parts of the interior, suede. And if you need more space, you can grab right here and open that up. There's your charging stuff, okay? So you can plug in at the house. But plenty of room in the back. I mean, it's got a ton of space in the back to store whatever you need to store. It does have a traditional backup camera right there. There you go. All right, we're 3.5 minutes into the video. Let's get rocking and rolling, baby. And let's go ahead and hop in on the inside. Before we do, though, let's go ahead and take a look. If you're wondering where your charging port is, it's right here on the driver's side back tail light. Boom, right there. It lights up a little bit and lets you know, hey, that's where I'm at. Plug me in. Okay. Seating looks great. There you have it. Looking pretty good. If you're a car enthusiast and you love watching vehicle videos, this will be a good video for you to watch. I also have a video for you to watch real soon here that's going to be showcasing the Mercedes-Benz S550, BMW 740, and you got it, the Tesla Model S 70D. All right, guys, let's hop in. Stay with me. We'll take it for a ride. All right, everybody, here's how the interior looks from my angle looking down at the steering wheel. Beautiful screens throughout the entire interior. Wood trim. Like I said earlier, you got leather. Then you got suede all up top. You do have the dual sunroofs, one up front that actually, I think, tilts and opens up. Then the one in the back. And there's the rear. Doesn't really have a whole lot of blind spots. And it has a really nice open feel about it, which I like. Here's your armrests. You can do that there for cup holders, okay? if you were wondering, more storage down here. You do have 2 USB ports here and a 12 volt. Okay, so all kinds of little goodies. And to go ahead and put it in reverse, you're gonna just put your foot on the brake and do like that. Okay, and then there's your camera view right there. Now this particular car doesn't have the 360-degree camera view, but I'm sure you can get that on newer model Teslas. Right now we're running off of 38. We're getting kind of low on our battery, right? So we'll definitely take this into the supercharger system and get it all charged up nice and full for our next owner. And you can cut that camera off if you want. But anyways, let's go ahead and stay on for a minute. Be right back. Also, here's headroom in here. I am 6'1", about 215 pounds, and I'm very comfortable inside the car. I got plenty of headroom as I'm talking about. I mean, look, good space there. Nice and comfortable. You can really get relaxed inside the Tesla and then just enjoy yourself. And it's definitely a comfortable vehicle for the whole family. I mean, your wife could be sitting here or vice versa, the kids in the back. I mean, again, it's a very comfortable, open vehicle and definitely probably a pleasure to drive. So with that being said, let's take it for a ride. All right, here we go. We're already in reverse. Let's back her up and take her for a spin. Have some, well, hold on a minute. Let me get my camera set up. There we go. All right, we're in reverse. Woo, she moves kind of quick when you hit that gas pedal down. It's a different feel if you've never driven a electric car before. You know, with a gas car, you hit the gas pedal just a little bit, the car moves. With an electric car, it's a little bit different than that. But anyways. All right, we're doing good. No cars are coming. We're gonna run her just around the block here. Go ahead and hit that down and put it in drive. Now again, something I've talked about with electric cars that I really do enjoy is the quietness of the vehicle. It is a really quiet car. First off, Tesla puts a lot of sound deadening materials and things inside of the car to keep it quiet from all the noise outside out there. But then just to not have motors and all, that also really quiets things down that much more. Also, you know, thicker rubber going around the doors and all that kind of stuff help with keeping it quiet as well. Let's go ahead and drive. It is all-wheel drive, so I'm curious to see how that feels. Man, that instant power, it's just incredible. Got to be careful with it though. I don't need to get a tombstone anytime soon. Which I'm sure Tesla has a pretty good safety rating as well. Also, the stopping is nice. When you let off the gas when driving, it starts kind of slowing itself down, which I've also been told that helps charge up the batteries also, doing that. It's not something that charges them up quick though. But a little bit here, a little bit there always helps. All right. Wow, it does feel nice. Let's go take a left. Here we go. Let's see how this feels. A little acceleration. There we go. Feels good. Let's do that again. Oh yeah, it's got plenty of power. I love it. Anyways, we don't have too much battery power in here. Now we still got 37, but we're not going to hoss on it too much. But definitely very enjoyable. Let's go ahead and drive her back down to the store here and give it one little run for the money. That's so much fun. All right, guys, you got to see the Tesla Model S. Let me know what you think about it. If this is something you would be interested in buying from us here at Southern Motor Company, please feel free to stop by the store and take it out for a test drive with us. we'd love to work with you. As you can see, customers are here, busy, 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 as always. You know, it's something about this time of year, April, tax season, people are out car shopping, having a good time. All right, guys, we may do more video content soon with the Tesla, but for right now, stay with us and have a great day.